Good morning, good morning, good morning. I'm going to put on these earrings that I've had on before. And then I'm going to go ahead and style my hair. See how these pipe cleaner curls have been treating me overnight. I didn't put on my lock sock last night, but I put this on. My bonnet. And this is what happened during the night. I'm going to also go ahead and share my jewelry with you. I'm going to get this done. This has this cute little clip on the end, on the back of it, and it sort of, there's this, something flips over and locks it in. It flips over. There's a flip right here. A little different from what I'm used to, and then it locks it in. So this will be my jewelry for today. And it is on. And the reason that I did this today is because I feel a little bit boyish with this sweater on, and there's no pop of color. So I decided to take this. I'm going to add another necklace to this. I'm going to put on this necklace. I'm going to bring it closer for you to see. Great. Now I'm going to wear this as well. I've seen people layer the necklace. You know what? I don't think this really works because this is covering the other one. If you notice, it doesn't really work unless I can adjust this one. Let's see. I think I can. Let's do it. Nah, that's not going to work for me. That's not going to work. I'm just wearing this one. I'm going to adjust it here. There we go. That's what I'm going to wear today. And now I'm going to go ahead and style my hair. Last night I put my hair into these two, I guess you could say, ponytails. I took these headbands, this headband, and this one is a ponytail holder. And yeah. So we're going to see what this looks like today. I want you to know that my hair is really falling. Those curls are falling. I had a nick on my nail, so I have to be careful about that. One thing I noticed about this pipe cleaner curl is the end where I wrapped it around tightly as I began curling my hair. They're really sticking together. I may pull these some. I think that this is the last day that I am going to do this, and then I'm going to run my fingers all the way through and see what it looks like. This is what I'm looking like in the back. And so my pipe cleaner curls are saying, yeah, you have length. Okay, and we're gonna let it show. So that's what's happening now. And that may also be a result of the way I prepared it last night. Notice I'm pulling this one down because it's just going where it wants to go. I'm gonna tuck it under. And I think I'm ready to go. Please let me know what you think. How do you feel about these pipe cleaner curls? Notice what I'm talking about right here. Pull on it, let it drop. Yes, I am. I can't leave without saying thank you to my subscribers. Thank you for your continued support. I want you to continue to like the video, share, my videos. Comment on the videos. Please tell me what you think of this hairstyle today. And any other comments you may have on any other video that I have published. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my family. I love my friends. I love my followers and my subscribers. And I especially love God because He's so good to me. He's given me people that encourage and uplift me every day. And I want to thank you all. Thank you. Have a great day.